We have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And away we go into Auton. All robots firing here. 31657, the tank from the Mechaniers, taking high plunging fire, beautifully arcing in. The Norwalk Robo Warriors coming in. You can see their mascot up in the mini knight up in the stand. And they are moving smoothly, indexing and firing as we go. Not to be outdone. High voltage, lighting up, shooting. How Robotics, clearing the gate, going back for more artifacts, picking them up and shooting.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
At the end of Auton, the pilot's ready.
3, 2, 1.
Red has the lead, 42. And blue is at 61, so a 20-point difference, not much at all at this stage of the game. Norwalk, indexing, firing again. 6189, clearing the red classifier ramp, picking up artifacts. Mechaniers, that big, nice paddle design that classifies and sends it in their spinner and shooter. Referees staying very busy, calling. This match is definitely going into some review as they discuss it. All right, after high voltage here. Working to clear the red ramp, hoovering up as many artifacts as they can, and firing them. 2 out of 3 ain't bad. Those landed. Norwalk continuing to do their efficient work with their purple robot here. Indexing, firing, landing both. That blue ramp may need to be cleared. Norwalk goes ahead, does just that. Mechaniers getting filled up in the far side. Coming in, classifying, and they fire. 1, 2, 3. Blue's been very accurate in this game so far. Both the Norwalk and the Mechaniers, until they just bobbled a feed, and the Mechaniers robot just kind of like bubbled out a couple of artifacts. They get loaded up again, and they go. Red gets called for contact on Mechaniers in their loading zone. We can't quite call contact on the game announcer yet, but 14469 for Red. Shooting beautifully and landing. House robot definitely getting fed and definitely scoring. Discussions will follow. There's been a few calls in this game that definitely I think the teams probably are going to want to clarify on as they go into the end game. Red leading 223 to Blue's 169. I see a yellow on Blue. Parking called for both teams. Howe firing, coming into park. High voltage in place. Norwalk not quite making it to base. Controllers down.
The Red Alliance takes the win. 269 and 237. That's going to move Howe up to number 4 from number 6. This is a big jump that will affect our line selection later on.